Welcome to our latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel, where we dive into the world of interior design. Today, we are going to explore the stylish and versatile world of console table designs. Console tables are more than just functional pieces of furniture. They can transform your space and become the focal point of any room. So let's get inspired and discover the endless possibilities that console tables offer. Console tables are slender and elegant pieces of furniture that are often placed against the wall. They come in various shapes, sizes, and styles, making them incredibly versatile and adaptable to any interior design them. These tables not only serve as practical surfaces for displaying decorative items, but they also add depth and character to your space. Let's explore some exciting design ideas and applications for console tables. They can be placed in a wide range of rooms, from the entryway to the living room and even the bedroom. In the entryway, a console table becomes a stylish landing spot for keys, mail, and other essentials. In the living room, it can serve as a display area for art, plants, or treasured collectibles. And in the bedroom, it can double as a vanity or a chic workspace. The possibilities are truly endless. When it comes to console table designs, there is a wide range of styles and materials to choose from. Whether you prefer a sleek and modern look, a rustic and reclaimed vibe, or a glamorous and luxurious touch, there's console table out there for you. From wood and metal to glass and marble, each material brings its own unique charm and can complement your existing decor. Console tables are not just beautiful pieces of furniture, they are also highly functional. Many console tables come with dryers, shelves, or cabinets, providing you with extra storage space to keep your essential organized. I hope this video will be very useful for you to gain new ideas for your interior home decoration. So please thumbs up, like, and share this video for getting latest content, latest pictures. Thank you.